Hello everyone, my name is Vakar Ali and I work with the School of Leadership, an organization established in 2002, and I've been working for the last 15 years with 3 different sectors of the country. Number 1 is youth, which is 65% population. Number 2, academia, that includes all the educational institutions and the regulatory bodies around it. Number 3 is the development sector that talks about communities, that talks about people, that talks about shaping lives there, that talks about building communities and building better mindsets. I am associated with this organization for the last 6 years and I have traveled all across Pakistan in more than 30 cities. I have worked with more than 15,000 youngsters. I have interacted with more than 3,000 teachers. I have went to hundreds of communities, and the journey has been amazing so far. The people I came to know, the people I worked with, the people I saw dreaming, having a bigger vision for their country, having a bigger vision for their own community, having a bigger purpose of life, and it has been tremendous. So yes, my journey will reflect in this particular module that we name as Learn to Lead, and that will reflect a lot of experiences that I had in my trainings, in my projects that I've done with this organization. And I'll be very particular about leadership, which is a very broader term, which we see a lot of times in our books, when we talk to our teachers, when we talk to our leaders, when we talk to our bosses. So this course will funnel down all the things that we talk about leadership in different books and convert them into experiences. And this course will particularly help you understand how you can play a role of a leader and how you're actually playing a role of a leader in your community, in your institution, with your people, with your family. So I'm going to see you in the next module of Learn to Lead that will specifically talk and focus about the myths of leadership that we have in our minds, and I'm sure that you'll be able to relate all of the examples that we'll talk about with your real lives. So I'm 100% sure that you're going to enjoy the journey, and I'm going to see you very, very, very soon. Stay prepared.